Well, thank you for the warm welcome. Thank you. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone. All right. Wasn't that an amazing show? I mean, the colors, the dresses, it was beautiful. So thank you for inviting me to be here for India Fest. I'm so glad that I'm able to be here to experience this, to be a part of this celebration, to be a part of the recognition. And I think the words up here really do say it all. Inspiring diversity, celebrating unity. And absolutely at Norton Healthcare, we believe in being united. We believe in all working together. And I think this is a great example of what's possible when we do work together. We can have an appreciation and understanding, joy and love for one another. So again, thank you all for being here. Thank you for inviting Norton Healthcare. Thank you to KP for inviting me.
नमो नमो भारतांबे पदरी षण्ड मंडिते